Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make transparent text in your CapCut, right? So it's really easy. First of all, you have to go to your text section here, and once you go to the text section, make sure you just select default text, right? If you're using a caption, you can also do it with the caption, right? So I will just take it here. You have to select this clip here and you can just write anything, right? I will just increase the text size just to show you how you can do this. Now you can do all the changes and everything. For example, I want to make it really red color, and here if you just scroll a little bit down, if you want to make the transparent, then this is opacity, right? So you have to reduce it. So once you reduce it, as you can see here, as the percentage goes down, it will not visible, and as I increase it, as you can see here, you will able to see it on the screen. So to make it transparent, make sure your adjustment, for example, I like this one, and when I try to just play this, you can see this, right? It's really transparent. So this is how you can just make transparent text in your CapCut. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.